Welcome. Welcome to class 2 math class. The chapter we have been learning is how much can you carry? In this chapter, we have learned about lightness and heaviness of different objects. We have read the story of a clever donkey and we have learned how the donkey had failed to play a trick with its owner. Again, we have tried to understand the problem faced by Raju, who wants to enjoy seesaw. Now it's Chotu Monkey and the carrots. So let's read. Chicky and Mickey rabbits saw a bag. It had carrots in it. Chicky and Mickey started fighting. I will take bigger carrots. No, I am bigger. So I will take bigger carrots. So one day the two rabbits, Chicky and Mickey, found a bag full of carrots. They started fighting. Chicky was saying that he would take bigger carrots. Mickey was also saying that he would take bigger carrots. What happened then? Let's see. Chotu Monkey came to help them. We want to share the carrots equally between us. But some carrots are big and some small. What do we do? Can I help you? Chotu Monkey brought something to help them. So, when Chicky and Mickey rabbits they were fighting for the issue, there came Chotu Monkey to help them. And Chotu Monkey brought something to help them. Now, guess and tell what Chotu Monkey used to help Chicky and Mickey. Draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. So, can you tell what Chotu Monkey had brought? Yes, it is a weighing machine. Yes, this one. You can see here in Chotu Monkey's hand. It is a weighing machine. So what we have to do? We have to draw this weighing machine here. So now it's your turn to draw a weighing machine in the hand of Chotu Monkey. Now let us find out. Point number 1. Your parents buy carrots for the family. How much do they buy at one time? Yes. To know it, ask your parents. How much do they buy at one time? And next, how does the vegetable seller weigh the carrots? Yes, certainly they use a weighing machine as it was done by Chotu Monkey. Next, how much can Simran carry? Simran's father needs to move some things from the stove of their house to the kitchen. Simran wants to help her father. So in this picture you can see a girl named Simran along with her father and her mother is moving some things from the store to kitchen. And in that picture you can see there are different things. Suppose here it is salt, there it is sugar, it is dal and many other things. Now guess which bags Simran can carry. So now look at the picture here. Here you will be able to find a packet of salt, and the packet contains 1 kg of salt. And here you can see a container contains 1 kg of ghee. So we can say that Simran will be able to carry salt and ghee. Next, guess who can carry what? Number 1, her father. So her father will be able to carry rice, 5 kg of rice and 5 kg of atta. Next, her mother. Her mother will be able to carry what? Yes, it is sugar, dal and cooking oil. Next, her younger sister. Look at the picture here. Her younger sister. Her younger sister is very young and it seems that she will not be able to carry things from here. Next, can Simran carry any two of these bags together? If yes, which one? Yes, Simran may carry salt and ghee together. Next, which bags can you carry? Guess. And now it's your turn. Look at the picture here and guess which bags will you be able to carry and write here in the blanks. So now look at the answers at a glance. So Simran can carry salt and ghee. Her father can carry rice and atta. Her mother can carry sugar, dal and cooking oil. Her younger sister can carry nothing. Number D. Yes, Simran can carry a bag of salt and a container of ghee together. Now let us look at the picture here. Yes, it is an ant. And let us see what the ant is saying. I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. Yes, ant can carry any object bigger than themselves. Now look at this instruction. Match the picture of the animal with the thing it can carry. So we have to match some animals with the things that they will be able to carry. So now look at the picture first. Here you can see a picture of bird. It is an elephant. It is a donkey and it's a dog. And in this line here it is a ball, then it is sugar, then it is a bundle of logs and it's a leaf. So now let us match. Yes, bird. Bird will be able to carry what? Leaf. An elephant will be able to carry a bundle of lugs. A donkey will carry a sack of sugar. And a dog will be able to carry a ball. So that's all for today. So thank you. Have a nice day.